Informatica Cloud Data Quality (CDQ) is a cloud-based data quality management (DQM) solution that helps organizations improve the quality of their data. CDQ provides a comprehensive set of tools for data profiling, data cleansing, data enrichment, and data monitoring. To import files into CDQ, you can use the following methods. Upload files from your computer. You can upload files from your computer by dragging and dropping them into the CDQ interface. Import files from a cloud storage service. You can import files from cloud storage services such as Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage. Connect to a database. You can connect to a database such as Oracle, SQL Server, and MySQL to import data from the database. To import a file, follow these steps. In the CDQ interface, click the Import button. In the Import Data dialog box, select the method that you want to use to import the file. Specify the details of the file or the database connection. Specify the details of the file or the database connection. Specify the details of the file or the database connection. In the CDQ interface, click the Mappings tab. Click the Create New Mapping button. In the Create Mapping dialog box, enter a name for the mapping and select the type of mapping that you want to create. Click the Create button. The CDQ Mapping Designer will open. To add a transformation to the mapping, drag and drop it from the Transformations palette to the mapping canvas. To execute a mapping, follow these steps. In the CDQ interface, click the Mappings tab. Select the mapping that you want to execute and click the Execute button. In the Execute Mapping dialog box, specify the input datasets and the output dataset. Click the Execute button. CDQ will execute the mapping and create the output dataset. Here is a basic example of a mapping. This mapping copies the data from the input dataset to the output dataset without any transformations. To create this mapping, follow these steps. Create a new mapping. Add the input dataset and output dataset transformations to the mapping canvas. Connect the output dataset transformation to the input dataset transformation. Save the mapping. To execute this mapping, follow these steps. Select the mapping and click the Execute button. In the Execute Mapping dialog box, specify the input dataset and the output dataset. Click the Execute button. CDQ will execute the mapping and create the output dataset. CDQ provides a wide range of transformations that you can use to perform various operations on data. Here are some of the key benefits of using Informatica CDQ. Improved data quality. CDQ helps organizations improve the quality of their data by identifying and correcting data errors and inconsistencies. Reduced costs. CDQ helps organizations reduce the costs associated with data quality problems, such as rework, customer churn, and regulatory fines. Increased efficiency. CDQ helps organizations increase the efficiency of their data-driven processes by automating data quality tasks. Improved compliance. CDQ helps organizations comply with data privacy and security regulations by ensuring that their data is accurate, complete, and secure. If you are looking for a comprehensive data quality management solution, Informatica CDQ is a great option to consider. In addition to these basic transformations, Informatica CDQ also provides a number of specialized transformations for specific tasks, such as date and time transformation. This transformation is used to parse, format, and convert date and time data. String transformation. This transformation is used to manipulate string data, such as trimming whitespace, converting to uppercase or lowercase, and extracting substrings. You can combine these transformations to create complex mappings that can be used to perform any type of data quality task. Here is an example of a more complex mapping. This mapping cleanses and enriches customer data. The mapping first filters out any customer records that have missing or invalid values. It then uses a lookup transformation to map the customer's zip code to their state and city. The mapping then uses an expression transformation to calculate the customer's age based on their birth date. Finally, the mapping writes the cleansed and enriched customer data to an output dataset. This is just a simple example of how Informatica CDQ transformations can be used to clean and enrich data. Here are some additional tips for using Informatica CDQ transformations. Use the right transformation for the job. There are many different transformations available in Informatica CDQ, so it is important to choose the right transformation for the task that you are trying to accomplish. Configure the transformations correctly. Each transformation has a number of parameters that you need to configure in order to get the desired results. It is important to read the documentation for each transformation to understand how to configure it correctly. Test your mappings thoroughly. Before you execute a mapping in production, it is important to test it thoroughly with different types of data to make sure that it works as expected. Informatica CDQ transformations are a powerful tool for data quality management. By using transformations effectively, you can improve the quality of your data and make it more useful for your business. Here are some best practices for using Informatica CDQ. Use a data quality framework. A data quality framework provides a structured approach to managing data quality. It can help you to identify, prioritize, and address data quality issues. Use a data quality tool. A data quality tool, such as Informatica CDQ, can automate many of the tasks involved in data quality management. This can save you time and effort. Start with data profiling. Data profiling is the process of analyzing data to identify its characteristics and data quality issues. This is an important first step in any data quality initiative. Prioritize data quality issues. Not all data quality issues are created equal. Some issues may have a greater impact on your business than others. It is important to prioritize data quality issues based on their impact on your business. Use the right tools and techniques. There are a variety of tools and techniques available for addressing data quality issues. It is important to choose the right tools and techniques for the specific issues that you are facing. Monitor data quality over time. Data quality is not a one-time event. It is important to monitor data quality over time to identify new data quality issues and to ensure that the data quality remains high. In conclusion, Informatica CDQ is a powerful tool for data quality management. By following the best practices and tips above, you can use Informatica CDQ to improve the quality of your data and to make it more useful for your business.